Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to study dental materials, impression materials. So the dental impression is a negative record of the tissues of the mouth. So they are taken as a mouth record when we have to make any denture or anything else. So first of these are used to take the record of the tissues present in the mouth. Classification of the impression material according to the mode of setting and elasticity, and according to the displacement during impression procedure, and according to the use in dentistry. So first of all, according to the mode of setting and elasticity, it is divided into thermoset and thermoplastic. Thermoset are those materials which are set by chemical reaction and which are irreversible, means they cannot gain their shape again once formed. And thermoplastic are those which are set by thermal change and they are reversible, means they can, on applying thermal changes, they can take their normal shape and they can reproduce into another shape. So the rigid thermoset compounds are impression plasters, ZOE, elastic are alginate hydrocolloid, and thermoplastic materials which are rigid are impression compound, waxes, and elastic are agar hydrocolloid. Now, according to the tissue displacement during impression procedure, they are divided into mucostatic and mucocompressive. Mucostatic are those substances which have minimal displacement of the tissue during impression. So, when taking the impression, they have minimal displacement. Example, impression plasters, low viscosity alginates. And mucocompressive are those substances which are more viscous and displacement of the tissue while recording them is done. Example is compound. Now, according to their uses in dentistry. In dentistry, it is used whether to make a dentulous cast or edentulous cast. Edentulous means there are no presence of the teeth, and dentulous means presence of the teeth. So today we are going to study the rigid impression materials, where impression plaster, impression compound, ZOE, and impression waxes come. So today we will see the topic is the impression compound. So impression compounds are the oldest material used in dentistry, and on applying heat it softens and hardens on cooling, thus they are mucocompressive materials. Then on use for making impression in edentulous ridges, means where teeth is not present. Then ridge reversible and impression material set by physical change, also known as modeling compound or modeling plastic. Now, what are the applications? There are two types of impression compounds. So whether on type 2 and type 1. Type 1, we are seeing that type 1 impression compounds are used for preliminary impression of edentulous teeth. Then impression for full crown preparations where gingival tissues are displaced. Then peripheral tracing of border molding. Then type 2 impression materials are used to check undercuts in inlay preparations and to make special trays. Now, how they are available? They are available as sheets, sticks, cones, cakes, and in variety of colors. This is the picture of an impression compound available in cakes and sheets and sticks. So basically these are the impression compounds under their brand names. Classification: type 2, it is a simple impression compound. Type 1 is a simple impression compound, and type 2 is a tray compound which is used to prepare tray for making impressions. Now let us look at the composition of impression compound. It contains resin, copal resin, carbona wax, stearic acid, talc, and coloring agents. So what are the functions? This following parts are taken into use to make a proper impression compounds. And what are its functions? So resin, copal resin, and carbona wax are used as a thermoplastic substances. Then stearic acid is used as a plasticizer, which increases its plasticity and increases its working time. Talc is used as a filer, which decreases its plasticity and increases its strength. And color aging, so that you can clearly identify it under the mouth. Now the properties. Fusion temperature is 43.5 degrees centigrade. Temperature required to soften the compound and increase its plasticity from hard and brittle compound is known as the fusion temperature, and it is 43.5 degrees centigrade. Thermal conductivity is very low. It is a poor conductor. Coefficient of thermal expansion is high due to presence of resins and waxes. Flow, it has a good flow. Dimensional stability can be increased by casting immediately or at least within hour, and it has a good reproduction capability and it takes good details. Then manipulation. There are several steps to manipulate impression compound, that is softening, kneading, performing, glazing, tempering, placement, muscle movement and cooling. Softening is compound is softened in water bath at temperature of 50 to 60 degrees centigrade. Kneading, needed to ensure uniform plasticity and uniform temperature. Then performing, the compound is intended with figuring to adopt alveolar ridges. Glazing, passed over the flame to soften the surface. Tempering, placed in water bath before placing in the patient's mouth. Temperature should be 45 degrees centigrade. Placement, proper placement in patient's mouth. Muscle movement and cooling in patient's mouth, and removal and washing. This material can be disinfected by 2+ and glutaraldehyde. So all the microorganisms from the patient's mouth should be removed properly, so there is no spread of infection. Then advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are the material can be reused a number of times in case of errors. Inaccurate proportions can be remade without having to remake the entire impression. Accuracy can be improved by flaming the surface. The material has sufficient body to support itself, especially in the peripheral portions. Does not collapse completely if unsupported by the tray. What are its disadvantages? Record less detail because it has high viscosity. Compresses soft tissue during impression. Distortion due to its poor dimensional stability. Difficult to remove if there are severe undercuts. There is always the possibility to overextension, especially in the peripheries. So these are the things which are important to write in the impression compounds. What we are supposed to write is its application, available as, then its composition, then its classification, then its setting time, setting reaction, manipulation, disinfectant, properties, then advantages and disadvantages. These are all the points which we have to cover while writing the answer of impression compounds. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you understand this topic.